All right, let's level up your Brave browser. We're going from a cluttered mess to a clean, rounded, super minimal setup. Everything you need, right where you want it. No fluff, no distractions. Let's get right into it. First, we need to fix the layout. Head into Settings and go to Appearance. Scroll down and turn on vertical tabs immediately. It saves horizontal space and looks much more modern. Then, toggle Use Wide Address Bar off. It centers the UI and gives your eyes a focal point. Also enable rounded corners for that modern, floating window feel. The Home button. Go ahead and toggle it on. Trust me, you're going to use it way more than you think. Now, let's talk about this dashboard. It's trying to show you everything, which means you see nothing. Click the Customize icon in the top right. Turn off sponsored images. Seriously, who even wants ads in their browser anyway? Turn off the search widget too. I mean, the address bar already does that job. Then top sites, turn it off. Let's be real, bookmarks already exist. I don't know about you, but I don't want news on my homepage. Toggle it off. Turn off the clock too. It's already in your taskbar, so why have it twice? Now for cards. Turn everything off except Brave stats. You can ditch that too if you want, but it's a nice reminder that Brave is actually working. Now right-click these icons on the top bar and hide them. You'll never use them anyway. Next, let's hide the bookmarks bar. We've got the sidebar for that anyway. Just right-click it, go to Show Bookmarks, and set it to Never. Head to Settings and set the sidebar to Auto Hide. Now it only shows up when your mouse hits the edge, so you can still grab your bookmarks whenever you need them. Now let's fix the address bar. First, right-click the rewards icon and hide it. We don't need it. Go into Settings and head over to Search Engine. Change the default search engine for both normal and private windows to Google. If you prefer Brave Search, keep it. But let's be real, most people just want Google. Now, whatever you search from the address bar, you're getting Google results instantly. And that's it. Clean, minimal, and exactly how it should be. If this helped you level up your setup, stay tuned. Catch you in the next one.